It's Trade Page 13 here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my custom made Lego Oliver. Also, by the way, this has nothing to do with the episode, it's just decoration. Alright, let's get that clear. Also, no, I don't have James in the room right now, and I won't go get him. So, there'll be someone else doing the outro. Alright, I'll start showing him. Alright, here he is. Also, when I like trains, I like Legos. Also, I've made two custom characters made out of Lego. But I'll probably show them some other time. Or do you want me to show them now? I'll show them now. Let me just grab them real quick. I'm just gonna pause it for you. Here they all are. I'll start with Oliver. And he was the second that I made. Let's move forward so yeah, look at the other engine. He was made. The wheels were made out of tires, just with the rubber taken off. Also, I made this over a year ago, so I don't remember the exact build process. And the other two are older, slightly younger. And the GWR, the lid, and his face were paper that were based off him. Well, sadly, I didn't put green where it is. I'll show you his face. Focus. Try and get to focus. There you go. That's his face. He has a headlamp. I was like proper wheel arrangement. Let me just bring my wooden Oliver to grab the size. Yeah, here's the size comparison. Yeah. And this was made out of a bunch of different kind of Lego bricks, like 2x4s and stuff like that. The funnel was custom made, and it doesn't look the best. So I probably don't get handles or anything, but yeah. There's his dome, his whistle. I know it was off-centered, but I can't really do anything about it. And also, he can slightly move his head back and forth. And also, it can slide out, but it's very hard to put back in, so I'm not going to do it. He has those little stubs for buffers. He doesn't have back buffers, because I have been hard, and I don't have all light green bricks, so I'd use some dark green bricks. Like there also. Yeah. That's Oliver. He was the second out of the three. Here's my first ever Lego engine that I custom made. Yeah, this is version 2 of him. Previously, well actually this is version 3, technically. This was made, wait, this is the wrong spot. Sorry, I just gotta move the back. Sorry, it was in the wrong spot. Yeah, this was my first ever one. It doesn't have wheels, yeah, I made this one when I was like, I don't know, really young. Yeah, this is version 3. Before he had his cab used to be green, and it used to go up to like maybe in where the maybe here-ish. Then that broke off, and then he was cabless for a little while. I then built this out of red bricks, because at that time I didn't have any green. Much green, I didn't have this exact color green. And he doesn't have a face, but I named him Michael. And he has a cow catcher and 3 different lamps. Yeah, his name's Michael. And the third one. This is version 2. At first, he was really small. He has the same. He's an 060. He's a cow catcher. He has a really tall cab. I don't know why these are in the back, guys. Thought it was cool at the time. and I don't have all lightning books, so that's what that. And these are made out of another company that are similar to Lego, but I don't know what it's called. Let me look at his books real quick. I'll look at those two. Yeah, they're called like Max or something. So that's what this is made of. Mainly, with a couple exceptions, like the funnel. Originally the funnel was like this, but it kept on falling off, so I just flipped it like this. And there's Stone, his two whistles, and he has two lamps. Has these sticking out, and he has bars there. And his name begins with an R, and ends with Y. It's Roy. I don't ask why his name is Roy. Just don't ask. Roy. Yeah, this is my Lego engine fleet. Let me grab my wooden railway Rocky. By the way, the reason I don't use this in my series, because, well, he hasn't been introduced yet in my series. So yeah. Also, he has had some customizations, but I'll show you those another time, probably. His crane is roughly as tall as Roy's. Also, when I messed up his name, it's Ray. I forgot. Sorry, forgot. Well, I knew it began with an A and with a Y. It was Ray, not Roy. Ray. I don't know what I'm thinking, but he's the tallest. And compared to Rocky, they're the exact same height, like this. Yeah. And go over and help Collins. Yeah, that's my review on my 3 Lego engines. Alright, who wants to do the outro? Anyone? You volunteers? Oh, how about we do it? Alright. Subscribe to Train Fan James 13. He's a pretty cool guy. Try and get into 20 subscribers. He's at 17 right now. Try and get into 20 and he'll be very happy and he'll do something. Which, not probably train related, but I don't know. Yeah. And please subscribe to the channel. That is all. And split a red engine. Split a red engine. Split a red engine. That's all, James. That's all, James. Bye, guys. See you some other time.